Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Nellie Phillips, and as you see, I kind of have an idea of how I'm going to make a flower pot. The first thing first is what we need is you need 3 of the little stands like this from the Dollar Tree. I'm gonna just use some brown paint, apple paint, 50 cents, and some water to make my own stain. And an old Easter sign from last year. I bought this last year and used it this year for this. Wood glue, so maybe some super glue if you want it, twine, paintbrushes, and paper towels. So the first thing we're going to do here is go ahead. I probably should have got some of that putty, and I could have filled in the holes here. I didn't think about that at the time, so I'm sorry, but you might want to do that with yours. That would be just fine. I'm just gonna make my concoction here of stain. I've seen people be doing this a lot on YouTube, and it's just water and some brown paint. Let's see, is that the texture I want? I think that looks good. So, and it dries really fast. Let's see here. Let's use the big one here. That way we can get a good cover here. I did spray paint this white already because I was going to use it for something different, and then I decided not to use this, so I'm using it for this. So yeah, I hope I have enough paint on here to do this. It's actually a Monday night for me. Snowy Monday night. We had a snow day. I work in another town, and I called my boss, and he goes, guys, I don't know if this is what I wanted. This is not what I wanted. So let's try it. Let's try this again. Let's add just some more paint to this, because I really kind of wanted that brown look. But I think I had too much water, or I should not have painted it. I don't know, guys. This might be one of those fail situations I got going on here. Okay. I kind of like that. But it seems like more strokes I do to it, more it gets really wiped down. So you know what? We're going to put this aside. I like that color. There is some white to it. So hopefully that'll dry really fast. So we're going to put that to the side there. And let's get our boxes out and start painting those. You're going to glue one side to the thing, to the board, so you're only having to actually glue or paint one this side right here, and then the sides. And I just thought this would be let's paint the sides here. I'm trying to decide if I should paint the insides. Oh yeah, there we go. Now we're getting somewhere. This is a chocolate brown, I think is what I'm using. Yeah, chocolate bar is what I'm using. So far, I like this one. And as you see, I'm just using the leftover paint and stuff off of. And you know what? Have a feeling I'm going to go ahead and paint this side right here inside just because you can see it. So I am going to paint the inside here. Yeah, it's very cold and snowy here, so I thought it would be just a good night to do our craft. I'm stuck inside and get ready for the nice spring weather we're going to have soon, hopefully. We're going to put some more paint in this. So I just have a feeling that way we can make it more thicker. I think I just added too much water to this. So I think we need to add more paint. So we can get the texture we want. I'm painting the sides that I think we're going to see the most. So I'm painting those. And see how it's already drying pretty dry? Because it's not that wet. I tried to not get it so thick on. No, we probably should go ahead and paint all the outer parts on like this. No. Because you don't want anybody to see that part. Yeah. Very good. Okay. Let's see if this works for in here. This is how I've seen other people do it. Just take a napkin, kind of just dab it along. And to give it that. Okay, we get the inside these little grooves here. Yeah, there we go. I think that looks good. What do you guys think? See? Oh, sorry. See, look at that. And then I didn't do all the way, or I just did all of that. I thought maybe we could see. So we'll put that right there to side to dry, and we'll do the rest. Okay, so now I've got them all painted. Or stained, however you guys want to say it. I think, and this looks pretty good for me, because I want it to have that little rustic look. It's still a little wet, but I'm going to just take my, because I want to look different. So I'm going to give it like a little texture here with my paper towel. I wanted to have that texture. It looks like sponges. So there's that. Then I have my wood glue here. I hope this one's open. I don't think it is, and I don't know if I have good enough scissors to open this one. Okay. Where did I see it? I see my don't. Oh well, we'll just use super glue, and I hope I have enough super glue here. So we're just gonna use super glue because my wood glue is not. Excuse me. I'm not having no luck with my glue today. Okay, let's see if this wood glue will work. Okay, there it is. This wood glue is working. So let's use this. And I don't want it to go all over. So I'm not going to put a whole bunch on there. I am using my fingers, I know. Probably shouldn't, but I did. Okay, so we're going to put this one on this edge, on the very edge, I think. Like that. And we're going to do that with all three. You can probably use some other glue too to keep it down dry faster, because you can see mine's moving. So I'm going to move mine a bit more that way. I hope you guys can see this. And then here's the third one. I think I will probably put some flowers in mine. I don't have any on me right now, so I probably won't do it tonight, but I will at least get this done and show you guys. And then I do want to use some super glue. I wish I know what I did with my other super glue. I just had it. Okay, so this is, and then I'm going to stand it up like this. So you can have it standing up like this if you want, or you can take some of your twine and have it hanging if you want. But I don't think I like that. I think I like it just like this, and just leave it like that. And then you can just put your flowers in there the way you want to put your own flowers in there. you can do this any way you want it done. I am gonna just go in. You probably should put some moss in there, but you can just do it like this. Then put some moss in there, and then decorate it with all these succulents. Like I said, it'd probably be better to put some moss down in there first. I just don't have any moss, so I'm just going to play with the succulents like this to kind of show you what you could do with it. And you maybe could put right here on the, put flower garden or welcome spring. Kind of like that. I wish I would have bought some moss, and give you guys a little better idea. But yeah, you could just put some moss in there and then put those in there. And then you could get some letters or any kind of thing that will help you, just, you know, lettering wise. But this is what I'm working with right here. I finished. I'm going to give you this as the finished look, and I think it looks really cute, and you can just set it up on your back porch like this and put all kinds of flowers in there, or you can get a hanger and make a hanger for it and hang it up on your back porch too, any way you would like. But this is what I got going on for me. I love how it turned out. I hope you guys do too. If you guys like these kind of videos, please keep giving me thumbs up. And if you know anybody who would like to see this, I would really appreciate it if you like and share and make comments on it. Thanks, guys. Have a great day. Like always, God bless you.